Here are some quick crafts for the holidays. I'm going to make festive headbands for our dolls using paper clips. I start by unfolding a paper clip. Measure around the doll's head from ear to ear. I'm going with 3.5 inches. Cut the paper clip down to size. Cut a rectangle of felt. Place the paper clip on the felt. Add a line of hot glue. And remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. Fold the felt over to close the paper clip on the inside. Trim off the excess. Bend it to look like a headband. Take a pipe cleaner. Fold it over the headband. Twist it to hold it in place. Bend and twist the pipe cleaner to form the antlers, wrapping the ends around to make a fuzzy antler. Repeat on the other side to make 2. Cut rounded triangles out of brown felt. Cut a smaller one out of white, then glue it onto the brown, fold over one side to make an ear. Glue it onto the headband, use ribbon to tie a bow, glue it onto the antler. Repeat for the other side. We found some tiny bells. I'm gonna glue those onto the antlers so they can jingle. And finish our reindeer headband. Let's make another one. After unfolding the paper clip, glue on the felt, trim, and bend to make the headband. We found snowflake buttons at the craft store. Glue them to the headband. Take a piece of ribbon, fold over the sides, wrap the center with thread to make a bow. Glue it to the center, glue a jewel to the center to make a snowflake headband. Make a green headband, take a green tinsel pipe cleaner, add beads, bend it in a spiral to make a little tree. I put a yellow bead at the top, trim off the excess, glue it to the headband, touch the beads with a little bit of nail polish, dip it into glitter to make a tree headband. I found these stickers at the craft store. I think we can make a fun headband out of these. Make a red headband, peel off a sticker. These are hard plastic stickers, kind of like buttons. Glue the candy cane onto the headband. Add the holly stickers to make a candy cane headband. To make this for a larger doll, I use a larger paper clip, so they can join in on the fun too. You can get really creative with your headbands. Using beads, buttons, and stickers, you can also cut a wide triangle of felt, fold over and glue the sides down, trim the bottom to make a cone, glue white felt around the bottom, fold it over on the seam, and glue into place. Glue a white pom-pom onto the end, glue it onto the headband, add a sticker for a Santa hat headband. Thank you for joining us while we made some holiday headbands. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
I want to give a shout out to Tara Smith. What's up? Okay, everyone, we are doing a costume check for the winter extravaganza. Naveen, is that you?
Yes, I am Naveen.
Great costume.
Seriously, that's like the best.
1, 2, 3. Love the gowns, ladies. All right, Froggy, give me your honest opinion. What do you think? Sophie, what is that? It's my costume. You're supposed to be a reindeer. Hello, antlers. Wardrobe.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.